got me thinking all my movies are all down.
I'm the new sheriff.
Wait a minute, this is how long you're supposed to have a show.
Put down the job. I got up the cabin right now.
Just my luck. Wait a minute, your first day?
Yep.
How much they pay you?
$3
$3 a month. Tell you what, I'll give you $10. Walk away.
No, I can't do that. I took it over though.
Walk away. What do you do about it? Well, what do you do?
Someday I need it. Quite true.
I don't want to see you on your first day. Tell you what,
Why?
smart man would take that money, wouldn't he? Look around. There's a lot of pretty girls here. Take the $20, couple of girls, go to dance. Probably a good dancer. Probably go dance with him. Probably pretty good.
What that?
That dance.